Hey friends, if you encounter this error where the error code is the RPC server is unavailable, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So before anything else, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the RPC service. Since this list is in alphabetical order, it will be easy to find. The RPC service means the remote procedure call service. So it's the first one, not the locator one, the first one. Right click on it and select properties. See if you can change it. If not, then move on to the next one. If it is stopped, then right click and start it. Okay. If you can. The next one is that the firewall could be blocking it. So search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn it off temporarily and then click on OK. Now this is temporarily. Once your job is done, you'll have to return and then turn it on. Okay, like this. The next solution will be to update Windows to the latest version. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates. Why are we updating it? We are updating it because at times security updates may be missing and that can cause this issue. Okay, so this is how you will resolve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.